Well guys, I got another repair to do today. It's actually more an emergency call more than anything, I suppose. It belongs to a local amateur guy here in town, and he had this 10-meter radio, and he picked up this power cord, with this radio, and he wanted me to fix up the power cable. He's got nothing to fix it with. So he said to give me a call and said, "Can you fix me radio for me?" And I said, "Sure, bye." And he said, "What's wrong with it?" He says, "Oh, is it a power wire popped off?" And I said, "Okay, so the power wire popped off." I said, "How is it the wire on the inside of the radio or on the plug?" Is it one on the inside of the radio? You got a hole drilled through the cover and run the wires up through it. And I said, "Oh my lord." So yes, I'll be over. I said, and I fixed it. So here we are with a broken off wire, multiple pieces of tape on this, including paper wrapped up in, oh my god, I don't know. This must be joins, I would assume. It is a fire hazard, as you can see. You have bare copper wire. This is a conglomeration, to say the least. So we're going to fix the radio for him. The mode switch on this particular radio is also loose, so I'm going to try to fix that up for him as well, tighten it up. But the first priority, obviously, is this power cord. Anyway, I'll be with you shortly. This is inside the radio, and as you can see, more electrical tape. She is an electrical tape special. Oh my lord, Dines. Well, this is not fit. This is not how you do anything, actually. This is not how you do this. This is, oh my god. This is not how this is done, folks. Definitely not how it's done. Anyways, unfortunately I don't have this particular plug, so, and I'm not going to be using the holes in the cover, that's for sure. So what I'm thinking about doing is put a hole back here, and putting a grommet on it and run wire inside and do this proper and put a decent fuse on it. No more than 10 amp. What was originally in here was a 25 amp fuse, and that is way too much. This fuse will never ever blow. Not with a 10 amp circuit for sure. So yeah, overkill on the fuse, folks. So anyways, let's see what we can do here. This is an agglomeration, and yeah, it's not fit at all. Well, first thing, I fixed up the wiring here, put some heat shrink on it to cover up the bare wire on both of these. So next, pop a hole here in the cover, or in the rear I should say, and get a rubber grommet and put between here, and then run bring my power wire in through. And put a tie wrap inside and outside, so you can't pull the wire either or. Yep, well folks, like I say, if you're going to do this, do it right, because, you know, having a conglomeration of wiring like this is not how you do it. I'm sorry to tell you, this is not how it's done. Alright? You don't do it like this. This is crap. Garbage. Fire hazard. When I'm done with this radio, it will be done properly. Alright, after a little bit of messing around, got a new power cord put on, and she's inline fuse. Everything's soldered, heat shrunk, and here is the grommet that I come in. Back of the radio, big tie wrap here right around the main connector, so you can push in on the cord a little bit, but you're not pulling the cord out. I got lots of slack on the inside, so it's not going to break. I got my ground connection here, and I got me positive over here. So there we go. power connector is now, I should say, the power connection is now replaced. Remember, we got what we started off with here. We started off with this conglomeration here, and we ended up with, yeah, this. So, here we go. Successful operation, folks. That's how it should be done. If you haven't got a power cord, I know these 2-pin plugs, similar to the ones that's on the some other radios, are getting harder to find power cords for. This one is no exception. So basically, a good thing with this, believe it or not, if you want to power another radio, basically if you had another plug to make this with this one, you could piggyback to the next radio through this connector. So it's always an option doing it this way. And I got lugs put on, and they are soldered and crimped and soldered. So here we go. Another little thing I gotta do, I gotta tighten up the mode switch, but that's not here nor there. Anyways, this is one repair is completed. Thanks for watching, folks. All the best, and happy DXing.